Today's project is a tie rod sleeve for your 99 to 06 Chevy truck. Now, the reason I chose to go with a sleeve and not a heavy duty tie rod, which there's some good ones out there, Cognito makes one, FabTech, I think there's some others, and them some bitches are beefy as hell. I have two issues with them. $250 a piece, one. And two, I don't care how beefy it is, it's eventually going to wear out if you keep your vehicle for a while. Well, then you're waiting, for a long period of time for, a couple of days, weeks for another to come in if it happens to really break on your truck, and you got to wait for another one if you're going to replace it. Whereas this one here, got a lifetime warranty, it's a stock replacement. I can run down to AutoZone or Harbor Freight, not Harbor Freight, Napa, O'Reilly's, whatever, and get another one. No big deal. That's my main objective with those. Have been as expensive, they're going to wear out. I can go right down and get another one. They're cheap enough that I can keep another one in the truck if it breaks. No, this is not going to be as strong as one of those heavy duty ones. So a lot of it's going to depend on what kind of wheeling you do. If you really need that one, those are decisions you're going to make. I'm going to show you how to put it on. Now, you don't have to take yours off. I'm in the process of replacing mine anyway, and it just makes it a lot easier to show. Basically, all it does is replace your jam nut. Now, of course, before you take yours off, all this off, or even to take this off, take a measurement. Okay, take a couple of different places so that you can make sure you push this up the same way, same length, so that your geometry won't be off, but it'll probably still be a good idea to get alignment after you do it. But basically, you take your tie rod off. Take the jam nut off. Slide the sleeve over it, which effectively makes your inner tie rod thicker. You bring it up with this sleeve is now your jam nut. Tighten it back up. Get it back to the pre-made measurements you had. Tighten it up. Reinstall it and you're set to go. It's that simple to make that big of an upgrade.